Hey guys, Drama GT here, and I'm an Animal Company. Sorry I can't make a lot of videos, but today we're gonna be doom scrolling, trolling, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, without further ado, let's do it. Dude, you gotta see this TikTok. It's like 3 a.m. You gotta see this TikTok. You gotta see this TikTok. Look at this TikTok.
Please.
Oh my god.
Wait, I want to do that too.
It's like 3 in the morning. It's 2 in the morning. Oh my god. It's like 2 in the morning. My eyes hurt. My eyes hurt so bad right now. But I can't stop. Okay, guys, we're not gonna go.
Bro, look at me.
Okay, we're not gonna go to reactions, guys. We're gonna go to a different lobby, alright? And doom scroll.
Something to
Oh, it's 2 in the morning. It's 2 in the morning.
You scared, bro? You scared? Come back.
Oh my god. 2 in the morning. Oh my god. But I can't resist. I can't resist. I can't. This TikTok is so good. I really like this TikTok. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What's going on with you? Stop it.
Can't resist. I got.
Shut up. Grandpa!
I gotta go sleep, but I can't resist. Yes, better TV, TikTok, YouTube.
I pop out in the morning and What about the brother?
Yeah. Hey,
You have your phone.
It's 2 in the morning now. I think those were some pretty good reactions, guys. Those are some pretty good reactions.
I've never had a big RV.
And wait until the end of the video for something crazy.
I've never had a bigger tiny item. Hey, buddy. Well, you can roll it.
It's 2 in the morning. Look, it's 2 in the morning.
What's a free RPG? What's a free RPG? Me? Can I have it? I've never had one.
Dude, it's 2 in the morning. Don't you wake? 2 in the morning.
1 in the morning. You take a sip of my poisonous cola.
Is it crap?
You, Tiger. Tiger, don't go mining. Don't go mining. Does anybody want to go to we have the same size.
Resist.
I'm down. We got cola.
Resist.
I'm down to go to planetary. Where you at? Look right here. Guys,
I just can't stop doom scrolling. Oh my god. This TikTok is so good. I love this TikTok.
If you want to get
TikTok. I love TikTok.
Let's go.
Hold on, wait for me. I gotta.
I'm in this.
Why the hell would you open it, you dumbass?
Wait.
Enter room code. Or no, wait. Actually, yeah. Did you add me?
Child of the mines. I am Steve.
You know Hero.
It's in 5 hours.
Add friend.
It's 3 in the morning. Like, oh my god.
Okay, bro, I'm just gonna
5 in the morning. I gotta sleep, but YouTube Shorts. I just love YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts.
Bro, do you have a phone?
YouTube Shorts. Hey, give me back my pillow.
Wait, did you accept it? Hey, did you accept it?
Hey,
Dude.
hey.
Hey, did you accept it?
Oh, let me see.
Pillow.
Yeah, it says in this
Give me
room.
back my pillow.
Alright. So, now what I'm going
You
to
don't
do
get
is I'm
pillow.
going
You don't get pillow privilege.
Wait, this TikTok is. I just really like TikTok. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's 1 in the morning though. But I just can't resist.
Who can give me a time bomb? Who can give me a time bomb?
Ugh.
Who can sell something?
It's 2 in the
can sell something.
morning. Dude, it's 2 in the morning. Oh, are you awake? I just really like this TikTok.
Bro, what the fuck did
TikTok is. I really like TikTok. But I gotta go to bed. But I just can't resist. I can't resist.
Bro, what the hell are you talking about, bro? What the hell?
We're gonna. I'm not gonna do that voice anymore, guys.
Anybody want to go mining with me in caves?
Guys,
No,
let's see if we
no,
get
no,
really
bro.
good reaction.
Guys, who
Not
wants
coming.
this free grappler? Guys, who wants this? Who wants this?
It's a flying pumpkin!
With you.
Dude, I gotta record
Guys,
this.
who wants this?
Dude,
Flying pumpkin.
I'm recording you on YouTube Shorts. You're on a YouTube
It's a
Short.
flying pumpkin. It's a flying
Oh, wait, my
pumpkin.
phone just. My phone died.
Oh,
Wait.
sorry. Pumpkin.
Hey,
Oh my god, I got a
Hey.
shredder.
you want to see this TikTok? It's so good.
Shredder.
I
Yo, come
just
back.
really like
Let
this
me look.
TikTok.
Yo, that's so good.
I really
That's a
like
good track.
this TikTok. Is
Don't
so
get
good.
back.
It's a flying pumpkin. You know, back in my day, there were no flying
Free
pumpkins.
candy. Wait, hold on. Free candy. Want free candy? Wait,
Does
where's the
anybody
candy
want me to eat something of this into the ocean?
Wait, where's the candy? Wait, my candy.
Just
candy.
kill me already.
What?
Just kill me already.
No,
Hold on.
my candy.
Night time, y'all. Night time.
I almost died there. I forgot how to get red one. Someone gets so pumpkin. The flying pumpkin was crazy. Oh my god. Oh wait. Guys, I'm gonna join my fan code.
Join me, Black. Join me, Black.
Alright? I don't want to be so lonely, so I gotta join my fan code.
Wait, what code is it? What
I'm
code is it? What
controlling
code is
it.
it?
Afraid for this big giant egg.
What's the code? What's the code?
My fan code? My fan code is
For this big giant
Dromo.
egg.
D-R-O-M-O.
It's right there.
I don't know why that kid wanted to know, but yeah. Oh man. At least. Wait.
Feels good.
Yo, hey. I'm Dromo GT. Hi.
Bye.
This is my fan code, by the way. By the way, you like this TikTok? It's so good, right?
I know, right?
Even though it's like 2 in
No,
the
I
morning.
want to show you
Hello?
something. I want to show you something.
I gotta eat supper, but I can't resist. I'm so hungry, dude. I'm so hungry. Ugh. 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 Ugh.
Hey, I want to show you something. Did John see what I do?
Oh my god.
If you're ever doing a war, this is what you do. Look, this is what you do if you're ever doing a war. Ready? If you're ever doing a war, ready?
By the way, I'm doing a video.
3. Ready? 3, 2, 1. This is what you do. I'm gonna wait for you to watch. Ready? 3, 2.
Kaboom! Yeah, kaboom!
Where's the King Bean? Where's King Bean?
Dude.
Hey, bro, what's up? Oh, did you get your RPG back? The tiny RPG?
They threw it inside the water.
True.
Wait.
So, y'all wanna make some money?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, wait. Someone actually gave. Someone
Oh
actually.
my god.
One of my
I'm
friends
Dromo,
actually
by
gave
the
me
way.
one.
Hello.
'Cause- Is this it? No.
Have you guys ever seen a shredder that is this massive?
No. So I never seen a low taper fade thing.
You guys, let's go to the duping machine, please.
Oh yeah, the duping machine. Y'all want? What do y'all want to dupe?
Cheese. We should dupe cheese.
Yeah, I don't think there's a skin for the cheese yet.
Yeah, probably.
Ugh.
Wait, let's dupe these. One sec.
Oh my god. Wait.
Wait a minute. Question. What if?
Wait, I'm gonna do the one chip thing. Wait, I don't have a red cracker. I mean green. Maybe I could trade someone for a green cracker. Can I trade someone for a green cracker? A green cracker that is big? Wait, is that a chihuahua? Oh, hi, little puppy, little puppy. By the way, why is this chip spicy? Oh my god!
No,
Oh my god!
regular
Oh
one.
my god! Sadie, help me! Help me! Oh my god! 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 Oh my god!
Go just put it in your thing.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Ah! Oh my god! Help me! Help me! Help me! Ah! Oh wait, I really like this TikTok though.
Bro, you're not even supposed to say it like that.
TikTok, you are my best friend. TikTok.
Come here.
And I'm an iPad kid. I'm an iPad kid.
Give you a giant suitcase.
Ugh.
I only have to afford
I only need to
I'm doing iPad kid troll
Okay.
now, guys.
Join me, okay? Join.
Ugh.
Oh, with all that, bro.
Dude,
Okay, let me
I'm an iPad kid.
cool.
I'm an iPad
Yeah,
kid.
when did we say?
Dude, I'm an iPad
Look at this.
kid.
Bone man. Hey, bone gay guy. Gay bone guy. Look.
Who has a colorful
that?
suitcase?
What is that? What is that?
Who has a colorful suitcase? Bro, why did y'all throw like a...
Is that dentist chemicals? I literally got a galaxy small one.
People aren't reacting.
was there a giveaway here? Was there a giveaway?
Hell no.
Or what?
We're just showing. We're just showing off our items. Take a suitcase.
Yes, I will.
I will. Hop out at 1 in the morning. You really give me a shredder.
Dude, if you watch this TikTok and I have it, if I let you watch this TikTok.
Not a dog. Stop.
Ooh.
I think I'll have that same exact one. If we won it, then do some says.
Bro, the one that I like the most is this one. The silent.
Ugh, it smells so
Do
good.
Simon
I'm an
Says
iPad.
together. Do Simon Says together.
Okay.
Look,
Uh,
wait, who's the one with that?
I've been doing.
Oh man, yours is bigger.
Do
Oh,
Simon Says
Dude, don't
together.
swear.
I'll trade you the small one for this
Dude.
one. Can I please have that? I don't
Dude,
have any more.
I'm making a YouTube video. You can't say those words.
Moldy turkey.
Okay, okay, I'll just
Dude,
sign it.
I'll trade you the
small one for that
Simon
one. The big
says,
one for the small
"Go
one.
get 2
Could I-
cookies
wait.
and bring it to
Wait,
me."
could I have a nibble of the moldy turkey?
I just see him pull out 3 flashlight
Could I have a
backpacks.
nibble of the moldy turkey, please?
Go get 4.
I got 3 flashlight bags.
Get 4.
One small, one smaller.
What is that?
One big.
Is that a small scanner?
It's a phone.
I like these.
Yo, who wants
I
to
like,
be in?
I love
Hold on,
these.
I'm pretty sure I
I
got the
love
TV.
these type
No.
of pickaxes.
Let me try to
I
find
love
my
these
TV.
type of pickaxes.
I've been scrolling for way too long. Oh my god.
Are you?
There's my TV, guys. There's my TV. There's my Galaxy TV.
so big! Gimme!
It's
I
9
have
in the
this?
morning.
I need
I mean,
Bro!
I've been up since 1 a.m. watching this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ugh, wait.
What? Go back! Yeah, stay
I've been
there, stay
watching
there!
for like a year.
Get
Oh
one
my
in
God.
front of me because you won!
Now I'm gonna pretend to be an old guy again. But
Is this a Galaxy RPG?
Did he
Like
eat
green
my?
brown.
Yeah. Did he eat the chocolate heart?
Guys, is this a Galaxy RPG?
Bruh.
I think you did.
Wait, could I have that pumpkin, please?
Is this a Galaxy
Can I have a big
RPG?
pumpkin?
Yo, what the sus? He got a phone. He got a flip phone, chat.
Yeah. It's not a flip phone! It's not a flip phone! By the way, you gotta see this TikTok. I've been watching it for a while. I've been watching it since last week.
Hey, bro, I'll trade this for that. I'll trade this pumpkin for that phone.
That's an OG item plus modded.
Come to. Oh, I'm in the second one.
Guess what? Tiger butt. Guess what? Dog butt. Guess what? Monkey butt.
Hey.
Oh, he's such a big back, bro. What the sus?
Guys, who wants this? Who wants this?
I do.
I do. Purple. I'm purple.
yeah.
I want it. I'm purple. I want it.
Okay, purple, you want it? You want it, purple?
Uh-huh.
Here.
Uh-huh.
Here.
That's a wrong man. Oh, shit.
Bro, quit.
He stole
My
it.
finger slipped, bro. No. Give me
That's my key.
Guess what? Chicken butt.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd purple go? Oh, there's purple. Where is it?
It's over.
I'm gonna try to become a floating pumpkin.
Perfectly good.
Whoa, here, purple.
Ooh. Ooh.
Drop it in it.
Sigma, Sigma, boo.
Sigma. Oh yeah.
Huh.
Oh my god.
This is
bro,
a
I'm
no
so
PvP
heavy.
server.
Dude, I'm so heavy.
Oh my god.
Dude, I'm heavy.
Take one.
Ooh, bad.
Dude, I'm gonna shoot you with this RPG. Oh god.
Okay, I'm gonna drop this bag with the key.
Yeah, raise your eye! Kaboom!
I'm gonna drop it again because it's
Fireworks show.
I got the new hands.
Fireworks! Fireworks!
So,
Presley,
Yeah!
yeah.
Guys, where are you? Oh my god, grab the backpack, it has the key in it.
Pretty weird to get, I think.
Bro.
Shh, it wasn't me.
Was.
It was not me, bro. That was my brother.
You're not funny.
No, it actually does. I have a second key.
I want one. Wait, it
Well,
has
you
a
just
key
threw
in
it
it?
that way.
Where?
Well, but you can't find it now because you threw it. One bomb.
Where I lost
I got a red watch,
you
okay.
threw it, bro.
it.
You threw it, bro.
I'm gonna go back. Who wants to join? Me.
Nah.
Don't think you make farts to me. You make farts to
No,
me.
I actually just lost that little bag.
No. That's crazy.
Oh,
Hey, you can have this free OD item.
Trading giant flashlight backpack.
Can I trade you with the big pumpkin?
But I do have scanners.
Trading yellow. Trading.
Trading Ayoy Baka chat.
Trading skibbities for
Fighting
skibbities.
demons, most likely.
Trading Skibby Toilet.
Oh,
Which
he's
Reagan would you like?
stinky.
Which Reagan would you like?
What?
Which Reagan
I
would you
want
like?
that one.
This one, alright.
Thanks.
Very young dragon egg.
Ches. Guess what?
I got the chest.
Blue, guess what?
Bro, guess what?
Bro.
Can someone give me some broccoli?
Greed goes crazy.
I'm sus. You baka.
Baka, baka boy, baka boy, baka boy. I want to become mad.
Time to go sell
I
this.
cannot type. Like,
So somebody drop something. I'll be able to get it. Drop that. Drop that.
No, heck no, you're trying to steal.
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to sell this for real.
For real, for real.
I didn't get it.
For real, for real.
Oh, I got them.
Okay, is that all?
does anyone have giant pumpkin they could trade me?
Yo, chef.
Could I trade?
Yas, queen.
Got it. Got it.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to mines.
Don't say.
Who wants to do a mines run? Who wants to do a
girly.
mines run?
Hey, what? You're mine.
Let's do mines, y'all.
By the way, we're gonna end this video with a banger, guys.
I'm gonna do a video, y'all. I'm gonna do a video.
I'm recording right now.
That's cool.
Hold on, can somebody give me a pickaxe before we go? This is I know it is.
Wait, it's gonna be a big bomb.
Can you give me a pickaxe, dude?
Last part of this video is gonna be a bomb. Oh my god.
For sure, I should have one.
Bro, I just bought that.
This
Give
is
me
gonna be a bomb.
Hey, Red. Well,
Oh good.
I have two
Oh,
pads of big salt.
see, that's what I meant by the bomb.